looking at IMO class A part 2. Part 1 already uploaded in the channel. Next part 2. 21st question. There were 28 girls and 36 boys in a class 2A in a school. How many students were there in class 2A total? So we have to look the girls and boys. That is how many total students. So 28 plus 36. How much is this? 8 in your mind, 6 in your hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4. 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 64. So C is the correct option. Next one, out of the total 200 animals, there are 61 sheep and 32 cows and some horses on the farm. How many horses are there? So total sheep and cows means 61 plus 32. That is 1 plus 2, 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 93 and cows. So total 200. So how many horses are there? 200 minus 93. Is it? Yes. So 200 minus 93. How much is this? 0 minus 3 is not possible. So we take from here 1. So here 10. So here 9. Then here 10. 10 minus 3, that is 7. Then 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. 107. Or we look how much? 107, how x plus 93 equal to 200. So x equal to 200 minus 93. So 107 is the correct option. Next one. Priya left her office at the time shown in the clock. She waited 15 minutes for the bus and reached home at 8 p.m. How long was her bus journey? Priya left her office at the time shown in the clock, that is 6, between 6 and 7. So 6, after 6, then 9. 9 means 9 into 5, that is 45 minutes. 6:45 is the time here. 6:45 is the time here. Then after 15 minutes means 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So 7 o'clock. So after 15 minutes, 7 o'clock, bus reached the home at 8 p.m. So from 7 to 8, how much time is there? 7 to 8, 1 hour is there. So 7, after 7, 1 hour means 8. So 1 hour is the answer. Next one, Mehul has some bags of rice. The total weight of all the bags of rice is 35 kg. Each bag weighs 7 kg. How many bags of rice does Mehul have? Total contains 35 kg. Is it? Yes. One bag weighs 7 kg. So, how many bags weighs 35 kg? How many 7s are 35? So, 7 5s are 35. So, 5 bags contains 35 kilograms. So, 7 5s are 35. So, B is the correct option. Next one. there are 12 seeds in one jar. How many seeds will be there in 3 similar jars? So we have to look at how 12 sweets jar contains how many sweets. That is one jar, 3 similar jars are there. One jar contains 12 sweets. So 12 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 3s are 3. 36. Or we have to look 12 plus 12. That is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 36. Next one, a man cycled 73 km on the first day and 31 km on the second day. How much more did he cycle on the first day? So 73. What is the difference between this? That is, we have to find 73 minus 31. That is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. That is 42. So 42 km more he cycled on the first day. Next one, Minnie had rupees 560 in the purse. When she went shopping, she spent rupees 456. How much money was left with her? Total how much is her in her purse? 560. Then she spent 56. So minus 456. So 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we take 1 from her here, and so 6, 5. Then here 10. 10 minus 6 means 4. Then 5 minus 5 means 0. 5 minus 4 means 1. So rupees 104 is left with her. Next question. There were 136 marbles in a box. Vikas put 26 more marbles in the box. How many marbles are there in the box now? So we have to look 136 plus 26. 26 more he put. So 136 plus 26. 6 plus 6. That is 12. 2. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1. 162. So A is the correct option. Next one, Arman started doing at the time shown here. He finished his homework in 1 hour 45 minutes. Which clock shows the time he finished his homework? Here this clock shows between 4 and 5. Our hand is between 4 and 5. So 4, then 6. 6 5s are 30. So 4:30 is the time now. Then he finished after 1 hour and 45 minutes. 1 hour means 4:30 to after 1 hour 5:30. So 5:30. Then 45 minutes more. 5:30. 30 minutes more means 6 o'clock. Then 15 minutes also. That is 6:15. That is 6:15 is B. This is. Or we have to look 4:30 plus 1:45. That is 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 5. 75 means 60 plus 15. So 60 means 1 hour. So we take 5, 6, then 15 minutes. So 6:15. Next question. The value of abacus shown plus this abacus equal to how much? this abacus. So we look at the ones place here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads are here. And in this ones place 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 means 10. So in the correct option, no beads in the ones place. 1 carry over. So 1 here. 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So in tens place 4. So which is the correct option? Ones place no is here, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is here 4. This is 0. Then here 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 740. So this is the correct option. Next one. Sonia buys 4 apples, 2 mangoes and 5 tomatoes from the market. How in brinjal? Apple 20, orange 6, mango 10, tomato 8 and banana 9 rupees. How much money have to pay? She buys 4 apples. 4 apples means 1 apple 20. So 20 into 4. How we write? 20 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 1 0. That is 80. So 80. Then 2 mangoes. 2 mangoes means 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 into 10. How we write? 2 ones are 2. Then 1 0. That is 20. Then 5 tomatoes. 5 tomatoes means 5 into how many? 1 tomato? 8. So 5 8s are 40. So how much money? 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. So 0. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 8. 8 in your mind, 6 in your hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. 140. So this is the correct option. Or we have to look, 4 apples means 420. That is 20 plus 20 means 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 20 80. So 420 is 80. Then 2 mangoes means 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. So 80 plus 20 means 100. Then 5 tomatoes. 5 tomatoes means 5 eighths. 5 eighths. So we add up. So 40. Or this is the easy method. 24s are 80. 24s, how we write? 2 into 4, 8. Then 0. How many zeros are here? 1 0. 2 tens means 2 into 1, 2. Then how many zeros? 0. 5 eighths are 40. So 140. Next question. Select the incorrect match. However, 300s and 21s. 300s means 3 into 100. That is 300. How we write? 3 into 1, 3 and 2 zeros. That is 300. 20 tens means 20 into 10. That is 20 tens are 200. 2 into 1, 2. Then 00. That is 200. 300 plus 200 equal to 500. So this is the correct. Next one, 500s. 500s means 500. Then 23 ones minus 23 ones means 23. So from here 4, then here 9, then here 10. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Then 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Then 4. 477. That is correct. Then next one, 15 tens means 15 into 10. That is 150. More than 68 ones. That is 68 into 1. That is 68. More than 6 plus 68. That is 8. 6 plus 5. That is 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 218. But in the figure, 318 is written. So, this is not correct. So, which is incorrect is the question. So, this is the incorrect. So, C is the correct option. Next one. E stands for a number. Find the value of heart, then this crescent and then one face respectively. Here in one's place, one face only. So one face equal to 3. So we write here 3, here 3, here 3. So 3 plus 1 crescent equal to 4. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So we write here 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus heart equal to 9. 4 plus how much equal to 9? 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So in heart 5. So for heart 5, crescent 1, then face 3. So A is the correct option. Next one. The total weight of a brinjal and an orange is 200 grams. What is the weight of 2 pineapples? How we write? The total weight of a brinjal and an orange is 200. One brinjal, one orange, 200. And another one brinjal, another orange is here. So 200 plus 200, that is 400. So 400 gram equal to 1 pineapple. So what is the weight of 2 pineapples? So 400 plus 400, that is 2 times 400, that is 0, 0, 4 plus 4, 8, 800 gram. So C is the correct option. Or we have to look how many 400s are in 2 pineapples. That is 1 pineapple contains 400 grams. So 2 pineapples contain 400 into 2. How we write? 4 into 2 equal to 8. Then double zeros, that is 800. So this is the correct option. Thanks for watching. We will be looking other questions in the other classes, and please like and share if you like it. Thanks. Bye bye.